Hello everybody, this is Noah with Save Green here. And by now you probably have seen a few of my Mint Mobile videos right here on YouTube and are wondering, is this real? Does this really work? How's the reception? I've been hearing reviews. How is it? Well, now they actually have a $5 trial. So you get a low-risk $5 starter kit, which basically lets you try it out. Now, what they'll do is they'll send you a SIM card where you can pop it into your phone and try it out, and it'll have $5 of credit on it. Basically, what you do is you go to the App Store and download their free app, and I will switch over to the app so you can see. You can download it there, install it, and then from the app, you can actually order the SIM kit. And here's what's included in it. You get 100 megabytes of 4G LTE data running on the T-Mobile network. They'll also give you 100 text messages on that SIM card that they'll mail you. It'll have a phone number that you can try out, basically a trial phone number. And of course, 100 minutes of talk. So you can also check the call clarity. That's basically 1 hour and 40 minutes of talk time, 100 text messages, and 100 megabytes of 4G LTE data to go surfing on the web, whatever. And you get to try this out for 7 days. So it tells you right there at the bottom, your starter kit is good for 7 days after activation. So of course, you download the app. That's step one. Step two, you order the SIM starter kit. You'll get it in a few days. Pop it into your phone. If you have another phone laying around, just pop it in there. Install it. Go through the process through the app. Install it in there. And then just go ahead and start using it. Call some friends. Text some friends. Go ahead and surf the web. You can give that phone number, that trial phone number they'll give you, to a spouse or a friend or someone in your family so they know it's you, and then just try it out. Now, 90% of the people, I'm sure, are going to be happy with it because they're running on T-Mobile network. T-Mobile is just about anywhere. The other 10% might not be happy with it if T-Mobile is not giving you good reception in your area. So what you'll do is, after you sign up, they will credit you those $5 back. Now, if you don't like the service, if you're that 10% that's probably not in a good area where T-Mobile has good reception, so what? You lose $5. I mean, it's the cost of lunch. So you can try it out, and they'll credit you the $5 once you sign up. But I started initially for 6 months, and I started on a 2 gigabyte plan as far as data goes. After the 6 months were over, I renewed for 1 year or 12 months on the 5 gigabyte plan. It cost me $240 for 12 months. I mean, you really can't get a better deal. $240 for 12 months. I mean, some people pay that much for 3 months of cellular service. That's crazy, but it is great. Where I live, T-Mobile is fantastic. So why not? Why not try it out? I was happy with them for 6 months, so I went ahead and renewed for another year. But you can download the app on the Apple App Store or on the Android Google Play Store and go ahead and try it out. I mean, for $5, it's a low-risk starter kit, so you really don't have much to lose except for $5 if you don't like it. If you are happy with it, then they'll credit you those $5. So once again, this is Noah with Save Green here, and thank you for watching.